Good morning, students. This is Ravi, academic consultant from Krishna University. మనకి సిలబస్లో గ్రూప్ థియరీ అనే యూనిట్ మనకు అవ్వలేదు. దాంట్లో భాగంగా గ్రేట్ ఆర్థోగోనాలిటీ థియరం అనేది మీకు నేను వీడియో లాగా చేసి మీకు పెడుతున్నాను. మీరు దాన్ని చదివి ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారన్న ఉద్దేశంతో వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. సో దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్, గ్రేట్ ఆర్థోగోనాలిటీ థియరం. ఈ థియరం మనకి స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏం చెబుతుందంటే, ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యులర్ పాయింట్ గ్రూప్ అండ్ దేర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ కెన్ బి derived from the orthogonality theorem. The theorem concern the elements of the matrices which constitute the representation of the point group. The mathematical statement of theorem is follows: sigma r gamma I of r m n and gamma I r m dash n dash equal to h by square root of li into lj into delta I j delta m m dash delta n n dash. Here h is the order of the point group, li and lj are the dimensions of the gamma I gamma j irreducible representations respectively. Gamma I of r m n is the element of mth row and nth column of the matrix irreducible representations under the symmetry operation R. And next, gamma j or m dash n dash is the element of complex conjugate mth row and nth column under the symmetry operation for irreducible representation. Gamma, here delta I j delta m m dash delta n n dash are the Kronecker deltas symbols. Delta x y equal to 0 if x not equal to y. Delta xy equal to 1 if x equal to y. It states that all the vectors in h-dimensional space are mutually orthogonal or normalized. Equations: sigma r gamma I of r m n into gamma I of r m dash n dash equal to 0 if I not equal to j. Second condition, sigma r gamma I of r m n into gamma j of r m dash n dash equal to h by li if I equal to j and m equal to m dash n equal to n dash. These three are equal to each other, then only which is equal to h by li square. From this statement of the great orthogonality theorem, there are 5 applications. First one is, the number of irreducible representations in a point group is equal to number of the classes of the point group of the classes of the operations of the group. For example, C2V point group character table. The gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3, gamma 4 are the irreducible representations. There are 4 irreducible representations. Symmetry operations are identity, C2 operation, sigma xz, sigma yz. There are 4 symmetry operations. These are 4 and these are 4. Both are equal. And next, second application, the sum of squares of dimensions of the irreducible representations is equal to order of the point group. sigma r li square, that is equal to L1 square, L2 square plus L3 square plus etc. equal to h. For example, C2V character table. Here gamma 1, gamma 2, gamma 3, gamma 4. In C2V point group, these are the one dimensions of the irreducible representations. Gamma 1 is the one dimension, gamma 2 is the one dimension, gamma 3 is the one dimension, gamma 4 is the one dimension. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 4, which must be equal to order of the group. Order of the group is represented by H. Next, third point, the sum of squares of characters of an irreducible representation is equal to order of the point group. For example, A comma B comma C D are the character of irreducible representation of the gamma I. Then the order of the point group H, which H is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. So manaki here gamma 1 is the one irreducible representation. Corresponding characters are plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. The square of sum of these four, which must be equal to order of the group. 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. The sum of these squares must be equal to order of the group. That is the third application. Next, fourth application is the sum of product of any two different irreducible representations of the same point group is orthogonal to each other. For example, if A, B, C, D and A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash are the characters of two different irreducible representations of gamma I, gamma j respectively, the product of A dash plus B dash plus C dash plus D dash equal to 0. From this, the formula is sigma r chi of j is equal to 0. If we take the C2V point group character table, gamma 1 is the one irreducible representation, gamma 2 is the one irreducible representation. The product of these two characters, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus, that is equal to, must be equal to 0. Next, fifth point is the character of the element of the same class are same for the irreducible representation. If we take C3V point character table, in this there are three different symmetry operations: sigma V1, sigma V2, sigma V3. For these symmetry operations, for these three different operations, there is a one character. That is the character of the element of the same of the class or the same of the irreducible representation. These are the 5 applications are the very important regarding CSIR topics. Thank you.